You probably seen this type of reels in Instagram or other social media network. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this type of reels very easily in CapCut and using AI. So first of all, you just need to create an AI picture. You can go any AI picture generator, but for this video, I'm going to use Leonardo AI, which is free. You just have to search for Leonardo AI and then go to this Leonardo AI image generator. After opening the Leonardo AI, you just need to log in with your Google account and then just go to this image generation option. After going to the image generation option, if you're already familiar with Leonardo AI, you know how to choose an model here. So for this, I'm going to use Leonardo Lightning XL, and also you get 150 token every day, so you can create lot of image from Leonardo AI. So for the prompt, you just have to paste a prompt here. You can use your imagination. For this, I'm going to use a simple prompt here. As for the reels or anime style, so I'm going to use the anime style and also use the prompt for the anime style, and you have to choose the aspect ratio from here. As you can see, I have chosen the aspect ratio of 9:16, which is the reels aspect ratio. And here you can choose how many picture you want to generate here. For this, I'm going to use 2 and click on generate. This will use 4 tokens. And as you can see, these are the images that have generated in Leonardo AI. After generating the images, if you like those images, you can just click on this image and just click on this download image. After downloading the image, you just need to go to another AI website which is called Leaplex AI, and you just need to click on this Immersity AI, which is the new leaplexai.com. For opening the Leaplex AI, you can sign up for free with your Google account, and you just need to upload the picture that you have created in the Leonardo AI. And it will start processing your image here. And as you can see, here's the image that I have uploaded in the Leaplex AI, or which is called Immersity AI. And as you can see, this is already in the 3D motion here, 3D image to 3D motion. And you can choose what kind of motion or animation you want to have, but for this I will just use the perspective, and you can also use manual setting here to change your motion here, but for this I'm just going to use the default option. Then you just need to click on export MP4 to 3D motion, click next. Now you can use this credit here. As you can see, for free I will have 100 credits here. Right now I have 70 credits, so no watermarking and commercial use included. Then you just have to click next, and you can choose how much FPS you want, 60 or 30. If you use 60, it will use 40 token, but for right now I'm just going to use 30 token. And if you want more duration, you can choose here 16, 24 second, but for this I'm just going to use 8 second and click export, and it will start to export the video that created here. As you can see, start exporting the video, you just need to click download, and it will start to download. After downloading the video, you just need to open the folder and bring this video to your CapCut application. Then you just need to drag this video from here and put it in the timeline. To make this video more HD looking, you just need to go to this adjustment option in the right corner. Then you just need to go down, and if you want more color here, you can just turn up the saturation here. And you just need to go down and increase more clarity here. Also, you can increase sharpen here to make it look like more HD. Now if I play this video here, as you can see, the video is now looking more HD. So here's the video. As you can see, this is the reels that we've seen in Instagram or social media. After completing this video edit, you just need to click on export, and you can choose the resolution here and the frame rate. Just click export and it will start to explode. So that's it guys, this is how you can create these beautiful reels very easily with CapCut and help of AI. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.